Guys, we're doing a little blackened catfish today on our Ninja Woodfire Grill. Now, I'm using the XL, but you guys can use the other OG Woodfire Grill. You're gonna use the same parameters, so don't stress about that if you don't have the XL grill. Guys, someone put in our Woodfire Facebook group, and I'll put a link down below for that if you want to join it, a picture of their fish sticking to the grill grate. Okay, so I'm gonna grill a little fish today, right? So I'm gonna see if I'm having the same problems. I think that maybe there wasn't enough kind of oil on the fish, or it wasn't quite ready to flip yet. But without me being there, it's nothing I can, really diagnose. So we're gonna do it today. What I did to get to this point is spray down these two big old catfish fillets with some avocado oil. Okay, so that should help it not stick. Okay, and then I put some Creole seasoning on there and a little Cajun black seasoning on there. Okay, I got both sides covered in the seasoning. We're going to fire up the wood fire on the grill setting. We'll put the wood fire technology button on there too, give it a little bit of smoke, but we're gonna do a low setting on the grill plate. Okay, so that's gonna help you're not just like slamming it with heat when you put the fillets on there. We're gonna give them a quick sear on the top side and then give them a flip once they're ready. Now with normal grilling, when you put your protein on the grill, you're starting to sear that protein, right? And it's gonna give that Maillard reaction on there, that as it's searing, it's creating a seal, if you will, on the protein. Okay, once that sear comes to a finishing part right there, you should be able to slide your spatula underneath it and then give it a flip without much sticking, if at all any sticking. So we're gonna get the grill grate hot, but not like blow your doors off hot. So when we put that fish on there, it'll sear it quickly. We'll give it a flip, sear the other side, and then we should be good to go. Now I made a little parsley lemon butter, which is just some chopped parsley. I squeezed a lemon in there and got a half a stick of butter, microwaved it, melted it, mixed it up, and we're gonna brush that over the top as the bottom side's finishing, right? It's not overly complicated, but it is a nuanced process of getting this fish without hopefully causing it to stick or break and all that. So just kind of bear with me on this one. It's gonna be good. I know in the past, I've done salmon and all that. I'm not a huge fish fan, okay? Which is actually pretty funny because I love shellfish, I love lobster, shrimp, scallops, the whole bit. I dig all that, but when it comes to actual fish, unless it's fried, I'm not a big fan. So I'm giving these catfish tons of flavor, so hopefully that makes it a little bit more appetizing so your boy can get down with it. All right, another way you can go with these is sear them up, get them all done, and then chop up the fish and maybe make some tacos with it. So some cabbage, a little guac, a little pico, all that stuff. So if that's what you want to do, make some tacos with this, but we're just going for the fillets. Okay, we got the pellets already in this thing. We're using Jack's from Jealous Devil. It's just a blend pellet, no big deal. Use whatever food safe pellet you like. Let's get this bad boy fired up. Come on down here. Like I said, we got the pellets in already. Saying hello, how you doing? Well, it's good to see you. Thank you for being here. All right, our Ninja Woodfire is so polite. We're gonna turn it to the low grill setting. 10 minutes would be just fine. We aren't gonna cook these very long. We're gonna take them to about 140 to 145. We're gonna check the internal temps with my ThermoPro Lightning Instant Read. There's a link down below, save you some cash. I say it all the time and I say it again. These things are priceless when it comes to cooking. Keeps it great temperatures, all right? Let's go ahead and get this started. We'll go through the ignition and the preheat, all right? Once that's done, we'll come on back and we'll throw our fish on. Look at those beautiful marks. Love it. Get the other one flipped. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at those beautiful grill marks. All right, y'all, it's all done. We took some pictures. Let's take a look, see how juicy and moist that is. Gorgeous, cooked perfectly, looking good, y'all. If y'all want to get one of these Woodfire grills, links down below to Ninja Kitchen. Doesn't cost you anything more to use, but it helps out your boy, right? It's an affiliate link with Ninja. Cool. From the knives, cutting boards, all the stuff I use in my videos. Links are all down below. Okay. If you want to become part of CJ's crew for real and become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me, there are 2 ways to become a show producer. Either click the link down below my Patreon or click that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. Guys, get yourself on the scroll going in front of me, and you know, it helps out the channel, helps me make good content for you guys. Cool. Other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.